This was our last summer vacation, the first day of a wonderful week. I felt happy and calm, a feeling that I knew would soon be a distant memory. So I planned to enjoy every moment. I just got my new GoPro Hero HD camera 3 days before I left, and I scrambled to get everything together so I could use it on this trip. Everything worked out, and here I was, on the new road over Hoover Dam. This whole section of roadway is brand new. I chose to shoot this part because I wanted to show me riding over the Hoover Dam bypass bridge for the first time. You can't see much except the roadway, but the concept is what makes it special. Before the bypass, everyone sat in hour-long or more traffic jams at Hoover Dam. It was terrible. Hal's bike overheated last time we rode this way. Not good. This bridge looks awesome from far below, towering high above Hoover Dam. This time, to ride this part, it took about the length of this film segment. The whole thing was about 10 minutes from when we got on the new part of the road to when we entered Nevada. There's the sign, "Welcome to Nevada," on the right. On the right, you can see the roadway that still leads to Hoover Dam. You can go down there to the visitor center if you want. After we crossed, we pulled into this casino on the right to turn off the GoPro camera. This next section is all about riding in the desert of Nevada. The space in Nevada is vast and endless, the clouds and shafts of sunlight diminished by its magnanimousness. I haven't ridden here before, and the sense of stretching into infinity was with me the whole time. We rode this afternoon and the next morning in this environment. Fortunately, the temperature wasn't too hot. It hovered right around 100 degrees the whole time we were in this terrain. Being from the desert, 100 degrees starts to feel almost cool in the dead of summer. Few cars passed us during this segment of the ride, and off in the distance the mountains lurked, not as a barrier, but as a measure of the broad distance. As a photographer, I felt I could not capture the vastness of this place, but instead looked at it as an artist who works with watercolors might. I would paint the landscape with broad, daring brushstrokes in muted colors that would evoke the space and distance. It wasn't difficult to feel myself disappear, and one could see how a lively imagination could conjure up an alien abduction. In our next segment, we'll ride to Bishop, California.